He should narrate it very well. Coin wala.
It is funniest also and also both is.
Nita has written a figure over here 150099. That's fine, that's okay. So the whole bill is taken care of.
I already said that when we were in the school. So Sameer Bachchan's theory was once
Ranjita the Great.
Ranjita the Great, and by the way he was very distinct about seeing इसको देखने वाला सबस्ता को. So the day this group started, Sameer Bachchan वालों को private chat आते सबस्ता is coming, उसका number है, उसका कुछ है. I said sorry. We actually, you know what happened is we had a coin. वो coin को हम लोग ने माचिस से गरम किया था और बेंच पे पीछे रखा था. तो तुम किसको भी बुलाओगे तो वो ऐसे पीछे करता था ना. और रंजीता ने बेचारी ने ऐसे हाथ पीछे किया और coin उधर चिटक गया. With all due respects, she was a 254 shade of black. But even then, that the whole thing was red. And we were terrified. अभी तो गए. स्टेला मैडम को बुलाया, इसको बुलाया, बोला खड़े हो जाओ. गरीब खड़ी हुई बेचारी तो बोला who did it to you? What happened? तो उसने कुछ नहीं बोला. He said नहीं यार कुछ नहीं हुआ ऐसा वैसा. I don't know how did it happen. पीछे में और समीर बैठे थे. इसकी शक्ल कहाँ गया चोर. देखते ही पहचान जाएंगे कि वो साला कुछ ना कुछ तो उंगली करने वाला था. स्टेला ने उसको तभी तक उन्होंने माचिस वाचिस पीछे फेंक दिया. स्टेला ने उसको पूछा कि तूने सिक्के को इतना गरम कैसे किया. उसने सुबह को पढ़ा था कुछ. एक तो पहली अंग्रेजी में बैंड बजी हुई थी उसमें. I am controlling very hard to control my language. हिंदी में नहीं बात किया मैंने, मतलब विदाउट गाली. तो उसने वो लिया, बोलता है कि मैम मैंने वो लिया, उसको घसा, गरम इतना हुआ कि बेचारी का हाथ जला गया. That was the day till I left. I am looking for Ranjita somewhere in the day or in the night if I find her. I am very sorry for what we did. This was one incident.
आप किसी से वीडियो यहाँ पे से sorry again.
And by the way, any of you guys know that Siji slapped me once?
गलत काम किया.
Who is my witness? पूछेगा. जी. क्या हुआ था बता.
Really?
Oh yes.
नहीं आ रहा पर हुआ था. I also know. Thank you.
She was the monitor of the class. और अपने वो नीचे चर्च के सामने नीचे वाली क्लास थी. And as usual अपना तो मस्ती चालू ही रहता था. And then suddenly she is coming and like, बैठ जा नीचे. I said नहीं बैठूंगा. बैठ जा नीचे. नहीं वो. Slapped me. And I was like, what the hell? And then I felt so bad. I don't know if I remember. I slapped you back. And it was very sad. Afterwards we were good friends. सुधरा अरे incident तो सबसे danger था. I was telling Abbas. I was a messenger, कबूतर बना था. समीर बचने ने मेरे को लेटर दिया था सबस्ता के लिए. अपन लेके पहुंच गए. सबस्ता में गया सबस्ता समीर बचने से डाले भी. And then सबस्ता ये सिल्वेस्टर साला गुस्से में आ रहा है. सबस्ता. So then what happens is Sabasta बहुत अच्छी दोस्त थी मेरी, and then she stopped just talking to me for 4 years. And then in 10th she finally spoke to me. What more instances? Hasnain, do we have some memories? Hasnain would sing now.
Baba Saigal.
You are the Apache Indian. He is the Apache Indian.
He's Apache.
Baba Saigal. Sing normal.
ये संभालने हुए से.
Most imagine. And used to make rocket.
One incident I clearly remember is with Bharat and Rishabh. Guys, please come in.
Asen, go watch वाला.
So this is first standard, and in the first day me and Bhushan were together, and I think in the next class was Bharat. So every day after the school left, my mom generally came to pick me up, and what happened is like these guys, I think one of them, I think actually it was Bhushan, who used to ask 1 rupee from me every day. And I was really terrified. Well, I don't carry money. My parents don't give me money at this age to go.
So this guy used to really do it. He did it for like almost a week or something. I don't remember. Then I told my mom finally that there's this guy, and they are brothers. And this guy really asks money from me after school every day. So mom said, "Look at child, my mom is like one Hitler, you know." So she comes to the school one day, and then we leave. And my mom told me, "Okay, I will just stand a little bit behind, far, and whenever they come close to you, you just tell me that they are there." So my mom comes in, and after the school we all run outside, and this guy as usual, and this guy with him. So mom actually catches him first and slaps him. So he's the guy who actually got a slap from my mom, but because Bhushan is to our control. I'm really sorry for that. Which is the other one we're talking?
Oh, breakable, watch breakable.
So in 8th standard, 3 boys used to sit together. Abbas and Pitla. And we were the biggest nuisance that Pushpa ever imagined. So once what happened is, I don't know whose watch it was. So he comes to me on the first bench or something, he's showing up his watch. Unbreakable watch. I said, is it really unbreakable? I said, yes, it's unbreakable. So what I do is I take the watch out of his hand and just put it on. I didn't break it.
And what happened after that? तोड़ दिया.
We started crying and all that.
अरे तू तोड़ दिया मेरा watch.
Also one incident I remember, somebody has to support me on this is.
अच्छा वो.
That I'll come later, but there was one incident, I guess Piyush was there or something, I don't know, we had got non-veg, somebody had got non-veg, and it was spilled over Piyush's group or something in 8th standard. And those guys were real because of course they are vegetarians and they were sitting next to the non-vegetarians and the non-veg stuff was on theirs, and it was a big thing that it was a mess. Even now. And which is the other
Socks से निकाल के.
I don't know what you call it. There was this silk thread.
Whatever. Socks से निकाल.
It was in 9th standard. Arvind was minding the class. I was sitting on the 3rd bench just behind the Michelle D'Souza. I was just sitting behind Michelle D'Souza and Arvind.
I was sitting behind you.
You are in the class and you were really naughty then, and I know. So what happened is that that piece of silk thread is going all around the class, and we generally had this, foo, so that it should keep going around. So then eventually it comes in front of me, and Michelle D'Souza is just sitting right in front.
Facing a backwards.
As everybody, your eyes started doing that foo, and I was actually going ahead, and Arvind at that time quickly told Michelle D'Souza, "Piche ghum ke dekh." She turned behind and I am like, that was very embarrassing. I still remember that very well.
Yes, that's why she's not here today.
There was this, ये जो स्कूल का socks का जो ये था, I almost broke up with my wife for that. We used to do, you remember we had to, paper रहता था. We used to bite the paper and then hit it up on the ceiling. So once I had gone out with my wife, had 3 drinks or something, and then remembered school days. So we were in a very okay kind of a hotel, restaurant, and we were eating, and then I chewed the paper and I threw it out. She said, "This is the last time I'm coming out with you." Next time, let it do it.
अनिल का एक किस्सा बताना चाहूँगा. अनिल मेरे घर से मासी तो अकेला था. मैं आया था रात को तेरे घर पे. हम लोग गए रात को वहाँ रुके. मैं अकेला ही था. मेरे साथ में शायद वो निसिम था, इसका एक फ्रेंड था. सुबह के नाश्ते में इसकी मम्मी ने पुआ दिया. कमीने ने क्या किया पता है? कॉकरोच चल रहा है, उसको मारा और खा लिया.
That was long, man. I was a little bit long. It was just to tease him a bit. It was a very small one. Seriously, a very small one. Actually, why I did that was, it was such a small one, it was just coming. I said, "इससे क्या डरने का?" So
मैं 3 Idiots वाला याद दिला दिया.
And even else now, I think